Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Zotero installed. Now open Zotero and Word side by side. In Zotero, confirm your citation style and ensure the Word plugin shows under Preferences right arrow Cite right arrow word processors. Next, create or verify a reference in your library so you have an item to insert. Once done, place the cursor in Word where the first citation should go. This step ensures your workflow is live. Word can communicate with Zotero, and you won't lose time switching back and forth. Now, click Word's Zotero tab and choose Insert Citation. A dialog or red search bar appears. Type author, title, or year and press Enter to add. To place multiple citations, repeat this action at each cursor spot. Once you've added citations, click Insert Bibliography and Zotero builds a formatted reference list automatically. If you need pages or to suppress an author, select the citation and use Edit Citation. Those changes flow into the bibliography, keeping everything synchronized and consistent. When you're finishing, use Zotero's Refresh button to ensure all citations match your selected style and to update page numbers after edits. If you must submit a clean file, unlink citations to convert them to plain text. Make a backup beforehand because this breaks the live link. If Word doesn't show the Zotero tab, close both apps and reinstall the word processor plugin from Zotero Preferences right arrow Cite. That simple reinstall fixes most connection problems and restores full functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.